I've been diving deep into tons of YouTube channels across all kinds of niches to uncover which ones are truly making waves, the ones pulling in over $100,000 a month. From gaming to movie analysis to police cam footage, these channels have found strategies that turn views into serious cash. In this video, we're breaking down the top 10 channels that are bringing in massive revenue and how they do it. These channels are generating substantial income primarily from ad revenue, and a big part of their success comes from their RPM. For those new here, RPM means how much a creator earns for every 1,000 views after YouTube takes its cut. For the channels we'll talk about today, their RPM typically sits between $10 to $20 per 1,000 views. For example, if a channel averages around 5 to 10 million views in a month, with an RPM of $15, they can easily pull in $75,000 to $150,000 just from ads. And that's before we even factor in brand deals and sponsorships. So how are they making this happen? I'll be breaking down their content strategies, how they structure their videos, and how they maximize viewer engagement to pull in big numbers. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it takes to build a channel that can reach these kinds of earnings. Let's get started. First up is Inspector Ray, making around $112,000 a month. This channel thrives in the police cam footage niche, which is super popular right now. The secret to their success: they take police body cam footage, add detailed commentary, and explain exactly what's happening. This gives viewers extra value, keeping them engaged and encouraging longer watch times. What's even smarter is that Inspector Ray avoids copyright issues by using fair use through their commentary. Now let's talk about one key factor here: video length. Most of their videos are 20 to 30 minutes long, which is excellent for boosting their RPM. Why? The longer the video, the more ads YouTube can place, increasing revenue per video. For Inspector Ray, the RPM is around $7. Given that they get about 16 million views each month, here's a rough estimate of their ad revenue. 16 million views times $7 RPM equal $112,000 in ad revenue alone. That's not even counting additional income streams like sponsorships or merchandise. One of their top performing videos, titled "When Dangerous Kids Attack Cops," brings in a lot of attention due to the nature of the content. Police footage, especially involving high-stakes situations, naturally generates high engagement because people are curious about how real-life events unfold. If you can find a niche with consistent viral potential like police footage, combine it with engaging commentary, and you've got yourself a winning formula. Alright, next up is CineWave, which pulled in $110,000 last month. Their secret? Movie breakdowns, especially those that dive into Easter eggs and hidden details. Fans love these insights and keep coming back for more. What's clever about CineWave is they focus on evergreen content, meaning even after a movie's buzz dies down, people continue watching their videos. This gives the channel long-term value. Their videos are usually around 10 minutes long, which hits the sweet spot for viewer engagement. With 6.2 million views a month and an RPM of $10 to $20, CineWave is able to maintain a steady revenue stream. They balance trending topics with evergreen content, ensuring they never lose momentum. Whether it's a blockbuster breakdown or an analysis of older films, they're always drawing in traffic. CineWave has cracked the code. Loyal, long-term audience engagement combined with relevant content keeps their views and earnings stable month after month. Next, we've got Elon Musk Fan Zone, making $90,000 to $100,000 per month. The channel covers everything Elon Musk, from his tweets to SpaceX launches and Tesla updates. With Elon always in the spotlight, they have plenty of content to cover. They upload 3 to 5 videos daily, ensuring steady traffic by tapping into Elon's latest moves. Over the last 6 months, the channel has had consistent traffic, driven by Tesla updates and controversial Musk tweets. With an RPM of $8 to $12, their revenue is strong despite the competitive niche. Their top videos cover SpaceX launches and controversial moments, drawing in viewers immediately after big news. By consistently producing content on Elon, the channel stays relevant and profitable even in a crowded space. Alright, now let's talk about YouCrime Story, a channel pulling in $120,000 a month. Over the last 6 months, they've consistently drawn 8 million views per month by focusing on real-life crime stories and police interrogations, with most videos running 40 to 60 minutes, allowing them to pack in multiple ads. Their top-performing videos cover missing persons and mysterious discoveries, with 8 million and 7.6 million views, respectively. These stories have high emotional stakes, keeping viewers hooked until the end. By focusing on shocking revelations and unsolved cases, a crime story taps into viewer curiosity, making their content binge-worthy and ensuring steady monthly earnings. Next up is YouFact Tech, which pulled in $150,000 last month. The channel focuses on military, war, and global conflicts, always a hot topic in discussions. What makes YouFact Tech stand out is how they balance current events with evergreen content. They cover global conflicts but also create videos on military technology that remain relevant long after they're posted. With an RPM of $6 to $12, the channel generates substantial ad revenue. Over the past 6 months, they've maintained steady traffic with high engagement across their videos. Now, let's dive into YouFact Tech's top-performing videos. Some of their most popular ones include Gadget Showcase, like 15 coolest gadgets for men that are worth buying with 10 million views, and 16 coolest gadgets that are worth seeing with 7.5 million views. These videos capture viewers' curiosity about innovative tech products. The combination of cool gadgets, appealing visuals, and detailed breakdowns keeps viewers engaged, consistently driving up views and revenue. Prime Play is making waves in the news and entertainment space, delivering the latest updates in politics, celebrity news, and sports. With 40.6 thousand subscribers and 3.68 million views per month, they upload 4 to 5 videos daily, keeping on top of trending topics with fast-paced, bite-sized updates. Their success lies in their smart content strategy, focusing on big-name personalities like Michelle Obama and Simone Biles, whose videos have pulled in over 1 million views. Dramatic headlines and timely updates keep their audience engaged. With an RPM between $5 and $10, Prime Play likely pulls in tens of thousands of dollars per month, proving that staying timely and leveraging popular figures is key to growth. Top 5 Gaming is crushing it with 6.28 million subscribers and over 2.84 billion total views across 1,600 videos. The channel makes over $120,000 a month, focusing on Fortnite content. With 68 million views last month, they consistently release top 10 videos, highlighting the best Fortnite moments, tricks, and updates. Their most popular video hitting 32 million views. Even with a low RPM of $1 to $3, their massive view volume pushes their ad revenue and earnings from sponsorships well above $100,000 a month. So by capitalizing on Fortnite's evolving updates in top 10 format, Top 5 Gaming draws in millions of loyal viewers. Nuke's Top 5 is thriving in the creepypasta and scary video niche, earning over $100,000 monthly with 4.38 million subscribers and 1.24 billion views. Their evergreen content, like the popular Ghost Caught on Camera, 5 Scary Videos, taps into the universal lure of the unknown, maintaining viewer interest years after posting. They average about 10 million views per month. With an RPM of $5 to $8, their success is bolstered by a blend of old and new content in top 10 formats that explore paranormal events and eerie phenomena. This approach not only boosts watch time, but also draws continuous traffic, making older videos a steady source of revenue. Their well-crafted, engaging videos paired with clickable thumbnails keep their audience returning, ensuring a consistent stream of views. Let's talk about WatchMojo, one of the biggest channels on YouTube, with a whopping 25.5 million subscribers and over 17 billion views. They're known for cranking out top 10 lists on everything from movies and music to video games and pop culture. With 6 or more new videos daily, they're always staying fresh and relevant. In fact, they're pulling in around 49.5 million views each month, which translates to roughly $191,600 a month in revenue just from ads. And thanks to their huge audience and high volume of uploads, WatchMojo earns through ad revenue, brand deals, and sponsorships. Their content is evergreen, meaning their videos, whether about current trends or timeless topics, keep getting views even years later, keeping the channel thriving long after a video is uploaded. Now, over the past 6 months, WatchMojo's traffic has stayed steady, driven by a blend of trending topics and evergreen content. Most of their videos fall in the 10 to 12 minute range, which is the perfect length for those quick, informative top 10 lists we all love to watch. They've managed to capture both niche and stream audiences, and that's why they've stayed at the top of YouTube's game for so long. As we close our look at the top 10 channels earning over $100,000 a month, it's evident that innovative content and strong engagement are crucial for success. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more deep dives into successful YouTube strategies. Catch you in the next video.